Oh my god! One battle soul with you, and things I not realize how the lost on you. Do the one thing. Wait, did I spell it wrong? I'm going to bring the big boys. The S13. I love this car. Mayday, mayday. They're all around me, circling the future. They thought to take me. Okay, first person it is. I'm gonna get the score because I'm very good at this.
Subscribing if you want to see more experiments like this. In Alkembrug, construction on the massive ziggurat finish, becoming a symbol of power and dominance. It was the pride of these swamp people, representing how civilization can develop in even the most unlikely places. They even started building a town inside
Sorry, I
of the
didn't
ziggurat
talk the
to help
whole
hide
game.
refugees and shelter the homeless. While their workers rested, the council drafted a plan known as Operation Bad Company to expand their
A lot
influence
of
by
you don't
stealing from
know
rich
this.
kingdoms, supplying potions.
Well, a lot of you know
Meanwhile, the
this
Desert
car
Monarchy
already,
decides to become more
but
compassionate.
it doesn't
She
load in,
invested
so I
time
might need
into honoring her fallen
to.
subjects with graves, even allowed for artists to express themselves through abstract art.
Bruh.
We have medieval art. It's like modern art, but medieval. It's over here. I
You know that diorite is considered the worst flaw in Minecraft. That just symbolizes how everyone thought
Oh,
Yuri
there it
was
is.
the worst, but really,
It already
it has its
loaded
own
in.
uses.
It's a front wheel drive,
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
and it's a BMW.
They also began digging a giant moat to prepare for invaders, and began harnessing the power of redstone in hopes of taking the medieval era to new heights, literally. Back in Russia, the Vikings held a Thanksgiving dinner together.
Let us all say grace and thank God for this food. Yes.
We don't believe in God.
Let us thank science for this food. Yes. Quite delightful.
Don't mind me watching some random YouTube video in my background. Hold on, but first I need to get a. I really don't know what to pick. Should I pick the dualies? Is this truck on our model? No, it doesn't. I'm gonna get. I'm just gonna look for cars right now and pick which one I would want the most. almost everything is almost, well, not almost. Ooh, this Julie's looks nice. I'm gonna buy it. That's a extended cab, 4-door, another 4-door. But where's the dualies? There's one. There's one. I like this one the most. Oh, hold up. There should be a better one. Nah, I'm gonna pick this one. 80 what? 80 what? $87,000 just for this. That's crazy expensive. The luxury cars are ooh. Didn't mean to do that. Okay. I got the BMW. I got the one of my favorite Dodge. Should I get the limo? Comment down below because there will be a future video with the limo. I'm getting poor again just by buying cars. Ooh. Nah. 93K. I should get a sports fab because I want to get the supercharge. Yeah, that's pretty it. That's pretty it for me. Bruh. I'm gonna show him my car. What's good? What's good? I'm still recording, bro. I want to change the tires into a new one. Bruh, are you making a long one? Maybe. Get on. I'm gonna do a little prank on him. Get on. Before you go. And con to listen music. You can do that later. Just get on. Bruh. I was about to yeet him off the car right when I go to high speed. Bro, this car is so fast. Bye. This is FRP, I just know it. I'm a little bit sick. I like this BMW. It reminds me of XXXTentacion, one of my favorite musicians. Well, not musician, rapper. In top song 161. Good. Took a long time to hit the brake. This car is fast. Okay, time to buy some rims. Let's see what type of rims should I get. That looks good on my car, not bad. Ooh. Actually, I might go on the gold one. Ooh. I should make my car gold. You know what? Let's go do that. But I need to pause the video because I don't want to make this boring to you. Let's go speeding up to the dealership. I'm gonna pause the video for a moment and then I'll end the video later. So give me a minute. Alright, I just made my car gold. I don't want to make it more boring. So I'm gonna end the video in a good way. So let's just find a place and just end the video. And I'm gonna show you the place that I love the most. But it's kind of far. I'm gonna stay quiet the whole video. We're getting closer. $100 for a car wash? Oh my god. Who would pay that? Oh no, that would get my car dirty. Oh, I didn't realize that. I guess I'll end the video here. By the way, the video that I was about to end, it was all the way to the lake. So it's a good place to end the video. Well, I'm gonna end it right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this content and make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the like and notification bell and enjoy.